In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Discover credit card application tutorial. We'll walk through getting set up with Discover online so you can manage your credit card confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Discover. From the results, choose the official Discover website. Double check the web address to make sure it's the genuine discover.com domain before you proceed. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your information secure. Once you're on the Discover homepage, look for the Login option at the top of the page and click it. A small window or page will appear with sign-in options. Since we're setting things up for the first time, choose Register Account. This is the path to create your online profile for a Discover credit card. On the registration page, locate the section for credit cards. Click the option that points you to credit card registration, then choose Register Now. This takes you to the secure enrollment form where you'll connect your card to a new online account. Here, you'll be asked to enter your card number. Only type this on the official site over a secure connection and never share it publicly. Next, provide the last 4 digits of your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. This is used to verify your identity. Again, keep this information private and ensure you're on a trusted network. When your details are ready, click Continue. The system will validate what you entered and move you to step 2 of the registration. Take your time here and complete every required field. You'll typically confirm personal information and create your login credentials, such as a username and password, along with security questions. Choose a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. If offered, consider enabling alerts or additional verification to enhance security. Before submitting, review everything for accuracy: spelling of your name, your address, and your contact information. Small mistakes can slow down access to your account. When you finish, submit the form and watch for on-screen confirmation. You may also receive an email noting that your online access is ready. From now on, you can return to the Discover homepage, click Login, and sign in with the credentials you just created to manage your card, view statements, and make payments. If you're watching this and don't have a Discover credit card yet, you can explore card options from the homepage and apply there. Today's walkthrough focused on registering and setting up access once you have a card. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and take care of your information every step of the way.